Hi, I'm Helen from Test for Less, and in this video we're exploring one of the most important aspects of water system safety, Legionella testing. Whether you're in facilities management, healthcare or building maintenance, you'll know just how crucial it is to monitor water temperature properly.
Absolutely, Helen. So today we'll show you how to carry out a basic demonstration using this jug of water here, but more importantly we'll talk through two great options for your Legionella testing. We have the ETI 860 and the TPI 343+.
So let's start with why we're doing these checks in the first place. What's the risk?
Legionella bacteria can grow in water systems that are kept at temperatures between 20 and 45 degrees. Those bacteria become airborne, like from a shower or tap spray, and are inhaled. They can cause Legionnaire's disease, a severe respiratory illness.
Which is why UK regulations like the HSE's L8 guidance require regular temperature checks across your water systems, especially at outlets.
Exactly. It's about staying compliant, but also protecting people, particularly vulnerable groups in hospitals, care homes and housing facilities.
Let's start with the ETI 860 Premium Kit. It's a popular choice for regular temperature checks. What does it include?
So the ETI 860 is built around the ETI Thermo 1 thermometer, which is accurate, fast and designed specifically for hot and cold water checks. You'll get 3 probes, the first being a penetration probe for direct water measurement, a ribbon surface probe for pipes and tanks, and then finally a flexible PTFE-Y probe for those hard to reach areas.
And the technical side?
It measures from minus 99.9 degrees Celsius to 1,372 degrees Celsius with 0.1 degrees or 1 degree resolution. It runs on a single AAA battery with a staggering 10,000 hour life and has a countdown timer to keep test durations consistent. It also comes with hygienic probe wipes, a carry case and a traceable calibration certificate. Okay, so to demo, I'm using the penetration probe and placing it directly into the jug. The thermometer reacts quickly and I can freeze the reading using the hold function or let it track the min-max values throughout the test.
Now let's talk about the TPI 343+ kit. This one seems ideal for more advanced applications.
Yeah, so it's a comprehensive setup. You'd get a dual input thermometer with a clear LCD, the FK11M immersion probe for tank and water measurements, a CK21M pipe clamp for pipe work, and 2 GK21M air probes for ambient temperatures. All of this will be neatly stored inside a TPI A901 soft carry case.
So what makes it stand out from other kits?
The TPI 343+ measures from minus 50 degrees Celsius all the way up to 1,350 degrees and offers 0.1 degree of accuracy up to 999 degrees Celsius. It also allows seamless toggling between Celsius and Fahrenheit. It also offers dual temperature readings or their differential, autofill calibration in under 10 seconds, plus min-max data hold and an auto-off function to save battery life.
It's robust too, housed in a durable rubber boot, ideal for demanding environments.
And for the demo, I'm inserting the FK11M immersion probe into our jug. The display responds immediately. This kit's strength lies in its versatility. Whether you're checking outlet water, pipes or ambient room temperatures, it covers it all.
So to wrap up, whether you choose the ETI 860 for dependable routine testing or the TPI 343+ for more advanced diagnostics and dual input monitoring, both give you the precision and confidence you need.
And more importantly, both help you to stay compliant with UK workplace water safety regulations and most crucially, help protect public health.
Thanks for watching, and for more information or to order either kit, visit us at testforless.co.uk.